Hi, Mighty Mustangs, and welcome to third grade open house for the 21-22 school year. We're so excited to welcome you to third grade this year. Please take a moment to scan the QR code with your phone and answer a few questions about transportation and information for your child. If you need more time to answer those questions, feel free to pause the video and resume when you're ready. My name is Miss Martirana. You can see my email address as well as the Long Creek phone number and my Donors Choose website listed there as well. As a reminder, Long Creek work hours are from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. The fastest way to get in touch with me and get a return reply is going to be to use that CMS email address listed above.
And I'm Mr. Harmon. My email is listed there, as well as the Long Creek phone number, and looking forward to a great school year.
I'm Ms. Richter. My email is listed along with the Long Creek phone number, and the best way to get in contact with me is actually via text message, which I will send out my information for that separately.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Tarvin. My email is listed as well as the Long Creek phone number. The best way to get in contact with me will be email or Class Dojo.
Hi, I'm Miss York. My email's on here as well as my cell phone. I'm good to communicate through either of those, but the best way to get in contact with me is usually Class Dojo, as I have it pulled up on the board all day long.
On this slide, you'll find our supply list. This supply list can also be found on our Long Creek social media pages, our school website, as well as at Walmart and Target. Some important things to note on there is that we are looking for book bags without wheels, as well as making sure every student has a set of headphones or earbuds for their own personal use.
On this slide, you can see our daily schedule. We do begin at 7:40 when kids can come up to our classrooms and dismiss at 3 o'clock. Important information would be at 2:30. It's the latest that you could pick up for an early dismissal. Otherwise, you will have to wait in our carpool line. And on this screen, you can see our grading policy. Students will receive a grade for each subject. And you can see we do have a 10-point grading scale.
Here you can find our homework classwork policy. Homework will be assigned, so please make sure to check with your child and check the teacher's homework calendar for those assignments. Classwork is worth 30% and assessments are worth 70% of the grade. This year, Long Creek will no longer be a uniform school. So please make sure that your child is wearing appropriate clothes and closed-toed shoes, and all of their clothing is not just going to distract from the learning environment.
As far as the masks and the COVID-19 safety protocols go, all students are required to wear masks, at all times indoors. The mask needs to be worn properly over both the nose and the mouth. However, whenever we're outside at recess or anything like that, students are welcome to remove their masks if they feel comfortable enough to do so. Within the classroom, the student desks are going to remain 3 feet apart, and students need to be bringing a water bottle to school every day to fill up in the hallways, because the drinking fountains cannot be used as they traditionally are. Instead, they're going to be used to refill water bottles. And for the Long Creek behavior plan, all students are expected to be safe, respectful, and responsible at all times, both in the building and outside the building online. And students are also expected to uphold these behaviors everywhere they go.
So here's a little bit more detail about how to be safe, responsible, and respectful in the hallway, in the playground, in the cafeteria, in the bus, or in the classroom. So make sure to review these with your child, as well as we'll be using Class Dojo or a money system this year check in with your child's teacher for a little bit more details. But typically there are positive points for things such as respect, kindness, being helpful, following directions. And they can purchase privileges or prizes with their points or their money. And that is all we have for you guys. We look forward to meeting you all in person and having a great school year. Bye.